Hey, this is Joan Pratt with another one of our amazing listings. This one is for the 55 and up crowd. Have you thought about downsizing to some kind of easy living where you could walk to amenities, enjoy restaurants, clubhouses, and not have screaming kids running down the hallways or in the neighborhood? Well, you should check out our new listing at 580 South Clinton. This property is located in Windsor Gardens. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and we've renovated it. Has a beautiful sunroom and lots of really cool features. So come on, let's take a look. Well, can you believe that this beautiful place with all of these amenities is priced under $160,000 in Denver Metro? What are the odds of that? So you can enjoy this beautiful active adult lifestyle living here with the clubhouse, with the community center, with the fitness center and the garden and security and in parking spaces in the covered parking area. All of this for under $160,000. If this is going to be your dream home, please reach out to us. We would love to show it to you. If you know someone else, maybe a family member that might be interested in living in a beautiful place like this, please feel free to share this video and let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.